Welcome back, and joining us on the show now is Rishi Nathani from MCX. Rishi, hi, good to have you, and a big day for you because the relaunch of the cotton futures is back here again, and we do understand that the exchange has worked hard in ensuring that the contract is now aligned as per the market requirements. Also, you've enacted a new product committee as well, where we do see more inclusion of various stakeholders. Tell us more about it.
Thanks, Manisha. So we are very happy that this contract has been relaunched and we've seen very good participation as of now. We've already seen roughly 17 crores of turnover single-sided since morning, and there's a good interest on the screen. And we are happy that all the market participants got together to revamp this contract and relaunch it.
Clearly. How would you look at the contract specifications different from what contract on cotton was trading on MCX earlier?
Yeah, so there are quite a few differences. First of all, now we are trading in candy instead of bales. So earlier it was a 25 bales contract. Now it's a 48 candy contract. Each candy is roughly 355.56 kgs, which means it translates into roughly 100 bales. So the contract value has gone up to a shade above 30 lakhs, and the margin would be roughly around 3.4 lakhs. Also, the tick size has increased from 10 rupees to 20 rupees, and the contract has become bi-monthly. So you have contracts of April, June and August available now instead of monthly earlier.
That's exactly what I was coming to, Rishi, as well. So as of now, we have April, June and August. As we draw closer to June is when we will see the next contracts being launched, is how the market is looking at it now?
Yeah, so normally you have 3 contracts for this season, and then we will launch contracts for the next season once we approach nearer to the 3rd contract.
Rishi, there has been a lot of back and forth that we've seen in case of cotton. I mean, almost 4 to 5 months of no hedging, and then we've seen a new contract coming in. What is the conversation now with the regulator and various stakeholders who you've onboarded now for conversations?
No, actually, everyone's on the same page, and that's why we've got this contract on board. And I believe everyone's now happy with this contract and looking forward to participating wholeheartedly in it.
Absolutely. We've seen that in numbers as well, Rishi, what you told us as of now. What more can the markets now look forward to? Because there are still a lot of agriculture commodities which are not trading as of now. Doesn't impact MCX as much, but a couple of contracts is what, markets have been desiring on the exchange platform. Is there any conversation with the regulator as of now on that too?
So regulatory conversation will happen later. First, we need to evaluate what contracts we need to bring into the market, whether it's agri, non-agri. And once we have evaluated, we'll definitely take it up to the product committees, the ROC, and then approach the regulator for approvals. Once we get the approvals, you will see then those contracts being launched.
I was basically talking about the crude palm oil kind of contracts, Rishi, which are not trading right now.
Yeah, so with crude palm oil, see, the point is there are 7 contracts which have been suspended. We have also lost our crude palm oil contract. As and when the regulator and the government decide to relaunch the contracts, we'll definitely be looking forward to relaunching on MCX.
Okay. All right, Mr. Nathani as well as Manisha, thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. Well, for the markets, it's definitely weak, over 100 points shed on the Nifty. We have the Bank Nifty, which is down around 0.8%, and the mid-caps, which are starkly underperforming at this point in time. So down around 1.4% currently for the mid-caps. Time for a wrap on Halftime Report. Business Lunch up next. Stay tuned.